Yeah, hi, this is Shravya.
Hi, this is Shailaja.
Yeah, and this is ICP 7. We are doing BDA, and this is about clusters.
So we're going to perform clustering by changing the number of clusters, that is changing the value of the key. And based on that, we're going to visualize those cluster data.
Yeah, for that we have imported all the required libraries here, and after that we have given the path and we have imported the file here, and by taking that file from the path.
So that file we have kept in the bin folder. So that file is nothing but our data set which we have taken for performing clustering. So we are just reading that CSV file, giving the path. So the goal what is of a task is to we need to
Second,
divide the data set into segments based on the columns, that is what variables are present in the data set. So we're gonna segment that, we're gonna see the statistics, we're gonna see how exactly the data is. So for that, first we are just using this dot info method.
info function. Sorry, info function. We are using info function because to display the all the information regarding about the data we have taken that one, and here we are using describe function to display the statistics of the data.
So here, as we
And
can see, we have given the column names here, along with the columns. We have given what are the mean of the
magnitude, yeah,
magnitude
magnitudes of the
of those columns. So after that, we are just for our
using
knowledge
this,
using
yeah.
the dot shape method. So now we're gonna plot matrix for our data.
And here we are using correlation to summarize the big data set, and also we are using matplot library to improve the visualization.
So the matrix we are using is here is correlation matrix.
Yeah.
And before just fitting the data into the model, we are going to perform some pre-processing. So for that, we are using the standard scalar, which is used to decrease, I mean, just generalize the magnitude, and also
To do the
to.
data framing.
So after that, we're gonna just see this. So data has been pre-processed, and that is the scaled data. So after changing the magnitudes, because we are doing this, because since it is a k-means is a distance based algorithm, we need to perform this pre-processing so that we won't get any further calculation problems for calculating the centroids in the algorithm. So now we are just defining the function, the number of clusters in the k-means, and we are fitting the data, scaled data.
And
So
here we are using the inertia to calculate the ideal number of clusters. It means that it will tell the formation of the clusters by using the by taking the data. And here we are
now we are
plotting the elbow
performing,
curve.
yeah. So for plotting the elbow curve, we need to have multiple inertias for the data, and multiple clusters for this particular number of clusters. There will be different inertia. So we are just uh, running a for loop to calculate those inertias, and we are plotting an elbow curve here. Also, x-axis is number of clusters, and y-axis is inertia.
Yeah. And we have here we have taken the clusters number is 5, and we are framing the data and we are plotting those data
So now
by
we are
using the
just
inertia. And same as like above, we have taken 6 cluster number 6 and 7, 8, 9. We have done it for 5 clusters.
in order to differentiate what
Yeah,
exactly how the data has been scattered based on the number of clusters we are giving. So
you can
to
see
know
the
the
difference.
difference,
You
yeah.
can see the difference. This is for 8 and this is for 9 clusters.
So as you can see, these plotted colors also we've given here, like red is for wine 1 label, wine 2 label. So there are various number of
And this
colors.
PRED means like it's x-axis and it's y-axis. Data scale, it's x-axis and y-axis. Based on this, it will plot. Yeah.
Plot the data. So, so in this ICP, we have covered how to perform pre-processing for to cluster the data, and also
How to visualize the clusters
how to plot the elbow curve.
and how to use the inertia. And also we have learned by using this ICP, we have learned about the Seaborn library.
So yeah,
Yeah.
thank you,
That's all. Thank you.
thank you for your time.